Hello guys, today I'm gonna give this to Ate Lorna from Tita Mel. This is your blessing. Tita, here you go, Ate Lorna.
Hello, baby.
Say hi to Tita Mel.
Hello, Tita Mel. Good evening po sa inyo. Thank you po. Thank you po dito. Thank you po talaga. And God bless you po. And ingat po kayo palagi. Stay healthy. And sigad na pong bahalang i-bless po pa kayo lalo. Thank you po.
Ikaw, Ate.
What's inside the
What's inside?
Oh, what's this? Nivea body lotion.
You should share it with Birot, Ate Birot.
Yes po.
Hello, Tita Mel. Thank you po sa new blessing na binigay niyo po sa amin ngayon. Thank you po. Thank you.
You have
God bless
chocolates
po.
also.
Dark chocolate.
And here, what's this?
That is the gifted cookies.
Wow. Meron pa here.
Chocolate pie.
Choco pie.
Yes.
Okay, next. Unboxing yan. Oh, what's this?
What is this, Doraemon? What's this?
Tea.
Tea.
Anong sabi niya? Lipton black tea.
Cha.
And then, Toblerone, my favorite chocolate. Wow. Thank you po, Tita Mel.
Okay. So thank you, Tita Mel.
Thank you, Tita Mel, for all the blessings. Bye-bye. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.